Hello, my dear young learners. I am very happy to meet you today. Welcome you all to my online English class. How are you, students? I hope you are staying at home safe and sound and continuing your studies regularly. I also hope you are participating the Shamshad television classes Amar Gari Amari School and different Facebook pages over the country. We are also providing online classes so that you can be connected with your studies. I think these classes will be helpful to take preparation for your coming exam. Dear students, today I am going to conduct a class on English first paper for the student of class 9 and 10 based on Unit 4, Lesson 2. So get ready with your English book, pen and notebook and pay attention. Let me introduce myself. This is Manik Chandra Mazumdar, Senior Teacher, Gazirhat High School, Shinbag, Noakhali. Dear students, look at the screen. What can you see in the pictures? Yes. Thank you, learners. Yes, thank you. A overcrowded bus, overcrowded train, overcrowded lunch. People are traveling on the roof of bus, roof of train, even the roof of lunch, taking the risk of life. In these circumstances, a question may arise your mind. Are we too many? Let's find out the answer of the question. So dear students, our today's lesson is Are we too many? Unit 4, Lesson 2, Page 45. Learning outcomes. After we have studied this lesson, we will be able to ask and talk about problems, seek and give suggestions, listen for specific information, narrate something in writing. Dear student, now observe the video. I would like to start my class through a video clip. I think this video will help you to guess about our today's topic. I think this video will help you to know more about the population problem of our country.
At the going rate of population growth, Bangladesh has more than 4 people increasing every minute and 6,070 people every day. In 5 years, the country's population is expected to reach 171 million people from its present 161 million. Bangladesh's population density at 1237 people per square kilometer is already the highest among countries in the world. Experts fear the country will lose out on arable lands to make space for housing, which in effect would cut down on the country's food production.
Dear students, you have observed the video and heard about the population problem of our country. Now I am giving you an individual work. Everybody write it in your notebook. I think almost all of you can write it about the theme of the video and what you have heard. I am just helping you the growing rate of population growth in Bangladesh, that 4 people increase in every minute and 6,070 people increase in every day. Thus in 5 years, the population will reach 171 million from present 161 million. At present, Bangladesh is facing highest growth rate of population. If population grows such a high rate, we will have to face food problem, housing problem, accommodation problem, and Bangladesh will lose huge amount of cultivable land. Dear students, now read the text and do following project work. We will read the text. You can follow in your textbooks, page 45. The next day when the teacher came to the class and was about to start the lesson, Shanti Barua stood up and said, "Teacher, Can I ask you a question, please? Go ahead, Shanti, said the teacher. In our last class, we heard Jamil's story of how too many people made the ferry boat sink. Sink, the word is bar, that means আমরা যদি বাংলায় বলি তাহলে ডুবা, অর্থাৎ অচেতন পদার্থ যদি পানিতে ডুবে যায়, যেমন নৌকা পানিতে ডুবে গেছে, সেটা সিঙ্ক। আর যদি প্রাণী অর্থাৎ পার্সন, প্যাসেঞ্জার ডুবে যায়, মানুষ ডুবে যায়, তাহলে ড্রন, DROWN, ড্রন, যেটা জলে ডুবে মরা। I have also seen crowds of people at the bus stand, railway station, launch and steamer guards. It is not uncommon to see people traveling on top of the bus or train and meeting with tragic accident. Here, tragic means sadness, sorrowful. Tragic means heart-rending. My question is, are we really too many people in the country? Thank you, Shanti. Please sit down. The teacher then looked around the class and asked, how many of you have the same question in mind? Almost all the hands went up. Okay, the teacher continued. Finding the right answer of this question is very important for us, for our national development. So we will look at the issue with some facts so that we can find out if we are really too many or not. Dear students, now we will do a very interesting project work, discuss in group and carry out a survey on the topic. Dear students, you know this is our online class, so there is no opportunity to practice project work, so you have to do it by yourself. Too many people. This is our project. You can do the following things. Select only one small area such as your village or locality in the town or city where you live. তুমি তোমার যে এলাকাতে বাস করো, সেইটা গ্রাম হোক আর শহর হোক, একটা এলাকা তোমাকে নির্বাচন করতে হবে। Find out its area. You can do it by walking around it at normal speed. You can cover about 1 kilometer in 10 minutes. অর্থাৎ স্বাভাবিক গতিতে তুমি হেঁটে ওই এলাকাটা তুমি নির্বাচন করে নিতে পারো। Find out the number of people living in it. ওখান থেকে তোমাকে বের করতে হবে কত লোক সেখানে বাস করে। Find out the people's occupation, তাদের পেশা কি, or they are unemployed, তারা কি বেকার, and poverty, এবং তাদের দারিদ্রতা কি। This is our project work. Dear students, for your better understanding, I have made an imaginary survey work. Locality, Sripur Noakhali. Area, 5 square kilometer. Population, 8,500. Male, 4,000 and female, 4,500. Occupations, তাদের পেশা, farmer, 3,500. Traders, ব্যবসায়ী, 1,500. Employers, চাকরিজীবী, 100. Unemployed, 2,000. Poverty, 2,300 people live under poverty line, অর্থাৎ 2,300 লোক দারিদ্র্যসীমার নিচে বসবাস করে। 4,200 people are poor. 4,200 লোক গরিব but live above poverty line, কিন্তু দারিদ্র্যসীমার ঊর্ধ্বে বাস করে। This is our findings. Dear students, the project findings indicate that poverty and unemployed are the direct impact of overpopulation. If we divide total population by total land area, we can easily get the density of population. You can find that the population is 8,500 and land area is 5 square kilometer. 8,500 divided by 5 square kilometer, so we can find 1,700 people live in 4 square kilometer. So we can easily guess how closely people live together here. Dear student, now we will do another work. Listen to the audio. Listen how the teacher talks about the population of Bangladesh and answer the following questions. Dear students, here there is no audio record, so I am showing you the summary of the audio in written. Read the text and answer the following question individually. You can follow in your textbook section B. Everybody read the text. I am also reading. Listen attentively. Bangladesh is a small country with an area of 1,47,570 square kilometers. This area also includes our rivers, hills and forest. এবং এই এরিয়ার ভিতরে আমাদের বনভূমি, নদী, পাহাড় সবই আছে. But the country has a large population, about 160 million. It is the 8th largest country in the world on the basis of population. অর্থাৎ জনসংখ্যার ভিত্তিতে বাংলাদেশ পৃথিবীর 8ম বৃহত্তম দেশ. The density of population is 1000 per square kilometer. Here density means solidity, thickness. Density of population means how closely people live together in a particular place or particular area. Our population growth rate is high. It is 14 per 1000 people, which is 1.4%. Birth rate and death rate are respectively birth rate 20.1 and death rate 6.1, and it is also calculated per thousand basis. শিক্ষার্থী বন্ধুরা, তোমরা জানো জনসংখ্যার বৃদ্ধি এবং জনসংখ্যার ঘনত্ব এগুলো সাধারণত জন্মহার, মৃত্যুহার এগুলো সাধারণত দ্যাট মিনস গ্রোথ রেট, বার্থ রেট এগুলো হাজার ভিত্তিতে নির্ণয় করা হয়ে থাকে। পরে আমরা এটাকে শতকরা হারে প্রকাশ করি, অর্থাৎ পার্সেন্টেজে প্রকাশ করতে পারি, কিন্তু এগুলো জেনারেলি পার থাউজেন্ড বেসিস নির্ণয় করা হয়। ফর এক্সাম্পল, 20.1 more children are added to 4,000 people and 6.1 people die every year. Hence our growth rate 20.1 minus 6.1 অর্থাৎ hence our growth rate is 20.1 minus 6.1 equal to 14. That means if we deduct death rate from birth rate, we can easily calculate growth rate. So we can see 2 million people are added to our population every year, and if this rate continue, our population will be about 270 million in 2050. Can you imagine how densely people live a small country? To solve the problem of overpopulation, family planning or planned family program should be strengthened, অর্থাৎ পরিবার পরিকল্পনা বা পরিকল্পিত পরিবার এই প্রোগ্রামটিকে আমাদেরকে জোরদার করতে হবে। Education is important tool for controlling overpopulation growth, particularly female education. Early marriage must be controlled through strict law. Dear students, now we will practice another activity. Two students will make a pair and make dialogue about the number of population, occupation, unemployment and poverty of their locality. Students, I tell you this is online class, so there is no opportunity to practice pair work, so you can share your idea with your brother or sisters. Students, I have made a mock dialogue for you. student 1 and student 2. Student 1 may propose student 2, hello friend, let's make a discussion about our previous class project. Student 2 may reply, good idea, let's start. Student 1 asks him, can you say how many people live in your village? Student 2 may reply, about 8,500 people live in our village. It's a very densely populated village. What's their main occupation? Student 2 may reply, mostly they are engaged in agriculture, but when there is no agricultural work, they remain unemployed. Student 1 may say, this is the fact. Then student 2 may ask, but what about your village? Student 1 may say, the same condition. Then student 2 may ask him, but what is the reason, friend? Student 1 may say, I think the increasing growth of population, ignorance, early marriage. Then student 2 may say, there is no mills and factories in rural areas. They have no income raising source. Student 1 may reply, exactly, but how can we bring the change? Then student 1 may suggest, first of all, we should control our growth of population, stop early marriage, increase awareness about the bad effect of overpopulation. Then student 2 may reply, all right. Student 1 also suggests our government should establish mills and factories in rural areas. Student 2 may say, it's true, I think government should decentralize our important cities. Then student 1 may say, yes, we see crowds in big cities. Health, education, accommodation, sanitation, and security are badly affected. Student 2 may say, it's a very miserable condition. Dear students, I tell you before, this is a mock dialogue. You can make another dialogue by using the information from your survey. I have used it as a model. You should not copy or memorize such type of dialogue. You can make another dialogue with your own words, with your findings. Dear students, now read the chart and fill the gaps with information from the table using comparative and superlative degree where necessary. Here there are some information of 4 countries including Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, India and China, and the findings are land area, population, density of population, birth rate, death rate and growth rate. You can see it in your textbook. Now fill the gaps with appropriate words from the box below. Here you can see some words. Most of them are the degree of comparison. আমরা জানি অ্যাডজেক্টিভের 3টা ডিগ্রি, পজিটিভ, কম্পারেটিভ, সুপারলেটিভ. You can see positive degree, some word are comparative and some are superlative. This is a grammatical point. Everybody try to fill the gaps with appropriate words from the box. First one is done for you. I am giving you 3 minutes. সাধারণত পজিটিভ ডিগ্রিতে কারোর সাথে তুলনা হয় না, কোনো কিছুর তুলনা হয় না। কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রিতে আমরা তুলনা করি, এবং তোমরা লক্ষ্য রাখবে কম্পারেটিভ ডিগ্রির পরে দেন বসে এবং মনে রাখবে সুপারলেটিভ আগে ডি বসে। আমরা এই ক্লুগুলো ব্যবহার করে ফিল আপ দ্য গ্যাপগুলো করতে পারি। Inland area, Bangladesh is larger than Sri Lanka but dash than India. But yes, thank you, but smaller than India. Thank you, learners. China is of course dash of all three countries. Of course, bigger of three countries. Yes, bigger of three countries. Sri Lanka has the dash population among the four countries. Sri Lanka has the least population among the four countries. যেহেতু এখানে ডি আছে, ডি এর পরে সুপারলেটিভ, লেস এর সুপারলেটিভ লেস। However, China has the dense population shown in the chart. China has the, yes, thank you. China has the highest population shown in the chart. Thank you, learners. In fact, China has the dense population in the world. Yes, thank you. Superlative degree, largest. China has the largest population in the world. And India has the dense population in the world. And India has the dense highest population. এখানে highest দেওয়া আছে, highest population in the world. India has the second highest population in the world. Thank you, learners. On the other hand, China has the dense growth rate among the four countries. China has the least growth rate. Yes, China has the least growth rate among the four countries. Bangladesh has dense growth rate than India. Yes, Bangladesh has less growth rate. Thank you. Than India, but higher birth rate than China and dash Sri Lanka. Thank you, learners, participating in this activity. Dear students, now I will talk about question number 1 according to board syllabus. Here you have to answer 7 multiple choice question. Each question carries 1 mark. You have to select the best answer from 4 options. I would like to tell you, you can do it by skimming, scanning and impairing. You can pick up the best answer from the text. Question A. Bangladesh is a small country because option 1. Its land area is small. Option 2. It is the 8th position among the top populous countries. Option 3. It has 150 million people. Option 4. It has limited resources. Thank you, learners. Option 1. Its land area is small. Yes, its land area is small. Question B. Density of population in any country means option 1. All the people in a country. Option 2. 1000 people living in 1 square kilometer. Option 3. Number of people living in 1 square kilometer. Too many people living in a square kilometer. Yes, option 3. Number of people living in 1 kilometer. Yes, thank you, learner. Option 3. Number of people living in 1 square kilometer. Question C. Our population growth rate is option 1. 1.9%. Option 2. 1.40%. Option 3. 2.1%. Option 4. 1.1%. Thank you, learners. Option 2. 1.40%. Question D. Our birth rate is dash per thousand. Option 1. 1.9. Option 2. 1.40. Option 3, 20.1. Option 4, 14. Yes, thank you, learner. Option 3, 20.1%. Yes, thank you, learners. Option 3, 20.1. Yes, thank you. Option 3, 20.1. Question E. What will be the size of our population in 2050? Option 1, 150 million. Option 2, 197 million. Option 3, 217 million. Option 4, 250 million. Thank you, learners. Option 3, 217 million. 217 million. Question number 8. Finding the right answer of this question is very important for us for our national development. Why? Correct answer option 1. We need to use our rivers. Option 2. We need faster and safer communication. Option 3. Option 3. We must utilize our human resource. Option 4. Increasing population may hamper our development. Yes, thank you, learners. Option 4. Increasing population may hamper our development. Option 4. Increasing population may hamper our development. Question G. What could be the closest meaning of the word? Question G. What could be the closest meaning for occupation? Correct answer option 1. Activity. Option 2. Employment. Option 3. Profession. Option 4. Service. Yes, learners. Thank you. Option 3. Profession. Okay, my dear learners. Dear students, now I will talk you about question number 2. This is comprehensive questions. Here you have to answer 5 comprehensive questions. Each question carries 2 marks, totaling 10 marks. There are 2 types of questions: close-ended questions and open-ended question. Answering close-ended question, you have to pick up the answer from the text, but answering open-ended question, you can express your opinion. You can write the answer with your own words, with your own language and own style. Here you can see 5 comprehensive questions. First one, number A. What do you mean by density of population? Everybody try to write the answer. I think almost all of you can write the answer. Yes, density of population means how closely people live together in per square mile or per square kilometer or a particular area. Question B. When does population of a country become scarce? Yes, thank you, runners. We know population of a country is an asset, but it becomes scarce when country cannot provide the basic needs of its population. Question C. How can we calculate growth rate of population? Dear students, try to remember the audio. Here you can get the answer of this question. Yes, thank you. We can calculate the growth rate of population by deducting death rate from birth rate. Generally, it is calculated per 1000 basis. Question D. Write down the effect of overpopulation that caused by high growth rate of population. This is open-ended question. You can express your opinion here. Thank you, learners. Overpopulation hamper our development. It causes various problems such as food, clothes, accommodation, education, medical, employment, and environmental problems. Sometimes the government cannot meet the basic needs of increasing population. Dear students, I tell you before answering open-ended question. You can express your own opinion. You can write the answer with your own words, own style, own language. Question E. How can we minimize high growth rate of population? This is also open-ended question. So you can write the answer with your own words, own style, express your own opinion. We can minimize high growth rate of population by adopting family planning, keeping family size small, stopping early marriage, speeding education, especially female education, and creating awareness among the common people about bad effect of overpopulation. Mass media can play important role in this regards. Dear students, here I have made the answer as a model. You can write the answer with your own words or memorize the answer. You should try to write your answer with your own language, own words. I am repeatedly telling you. Dear students, now I am giving you a short homework. Write a paragraph about the population problem of Bangladesh. Everybody write it in your notebook or you can take a screenshot. May God bless you all. Stay home. Stay safe. Goodbye.